Every time I'm filming, I'm always wearing black, but I just really wanted to wear leggings today and I'm not feeling my thinnest. So this is what we're going with. So I love these little tops because I don't like wearing sports bras sometimes. Oh, excuse me. Sometimes I just want my shoulders covered up because that's why I be feeling like the coldest. And then I have on these leggings. They're like some yoga leggings, but today is back day. So we don't need super scrunch, all that. My boyfriend talking about how you wake up and eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I sure do. I sure do. Yep. Oh wow, I've been awarded a December challenge on my Apple Watch. I love this thing. This is like one of the best gifts I got. My boyfriend got me this. He be giving me some best gifts. He gets me things that I don't even know that I need, you know? Like the iPad. Like, I'm like, what the fuck I'm gonna do with an iPad? Now, it's like, you know?
Behind the story goes, brown sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my non-shit, but I think I'm here to solo.
Hey y'all, so we're gonna do a back workout today. So first workout we're gonna start with is a lat pull down. You're gonna feel these in your lats and sometimes your biceps. You wanna pull straight down. You can do a wide grip, a closer grip. Some people like to pull like my homegirl is on the left, but it's, you know, all about personal preference. And I like to do like a second pause so I can really activate my back muscles. Next is going to be a seated row. You want to have your chest up. You want to make sure your elbows stay close to your body as possible. And you're just going to pull. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but we're working our back from different angles. Next, we're going to start with a dumbbell row. These are difficult to get, but once you start working on it, you'll kind of understand the movement. Then we're doing bicep curls because you want to make sure you have those arms looking tight. And my favorite workout is this machine here. Don't know what it's called, but I like working my arms and my back on different sides so I can make sure that my back isn't imbalanced. Now, when you're doing these workouts for the first time, you may not feel it specifically where I'm saying you're supposed to feel it. Keep training and don't give up, because when I first started training my back and even like my chest, I did not feel it at all. So just keep doing it every week and you will get there. Their workout was so good, like treadmill workout, and I've never done it before. And I put it on my Instagram, but I'll just put it right here. So basically I did a 15-minute incline walk of like 8 incline. I didn't go all the way to 15. And I took a 1-minute rest, and then I did sprints. So I did 9 sprints. I really wanted to go for 10. I really wanted to go for 8, but I was like, I gotta push myself, so I did 9. So I kind of like that. Like, I was sweating my butt off. My core was engaged. My abs were engaged. My legs were on fire. So like, that's something that I'm gonna have to incorporate for sure. But enough of rambling. We're about to head to Trader Joe's, but I'm trying to decide. Okay, so quick story time. Yesterday I was in the gym, and this girl that works out around the same time that I work out, she had, why does I even say that? Why did I say that? It doesn't even matter. And she had on these cute ass biker shorts, and y'all know I love biker shorts. Like, I am a biker shorts girl. And she said she found them in Marshall's, and I was like, did you buy them recently? And she was like, yes. We're about to whip to Marshall's. It's right like down the street, literally not even down the street. I could walk there if I wanted to from here, but no, we're gonna drive because, you know. Okay, y'all, I didn't find the pants, but look at this. This is so freaking cute. And they have a bigger one. So I didn't find those pants, but I found these. What y'all think?
Just give me the lines and pass the joe. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, them looking hype and I got to know. Would I be your protector? You're buffing every sector. Every man around them want on your inspector. But you know let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But them for a driller, them fuel injector. Cause them are infector, disease collector. None of them are going like them want come wreck you. Don't know the parts where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guide they affect you. Yo, girl, just give me the lines and pass the job. What's another buckle of more? Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Come in on the vibes and I got my dough. What's another buckle?
We are back from Home Goods and Trader Joe's, and I want to show y'all the painting that I got. So this is the painting that I got. It was 10 bucks. As soon as I seen this picture, I almost teared up a little bit because this picture reminded me of my sister. My other sister Terry, she has one in her shop that's similar to this. Somebody ended up like drawing it for her. I don't know if she got it commissioned or it was somebody gifted to her, I don't know, and it was beautiful and I've always wanted one. This just made me like, this doesn't look exactly like my sister obviously, but like the earrings, the headscarf, like the beauty. Baby's broke. I showed y'all that. I might as well show y'all everything that I got. So I ended up getting these risers to put over there. I measured how long my whatchamacallit was before my shelves were before I went, because I wanted to make sure I got something that was big enough. But yeah, so this is gonna go with my bowls and plates and stuff, so that way I could like stack up because we don't have as much space. And I paid $10 for these. I seen these exact shelves on Amazon for $25. But I wanted to get some things to preserve like my fruits and vegetables and stuff. So it's like you can rinse your vegetables off in here and then you can put them in here so they can stay, you know, fresh. Then I got this, and then lastly I got one of these.
But she's still hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from riding guns, drugs, violence, won't let you go.
So this is what I'm using to mount my stuff. So it's like this little 3-prong thing, and then it also has a hook. When I took these off of our last apartment, they didn't leave like shoe holes. I forgot to show y'all, but I just put this up. I forgot to show y'all the risers, but this is how they look. And then this is the second riser. So I wanted to maximize my space, and one way to do that is to go up.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yep, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Okay, I'm back home, y'all. So I think I told y'all I ordered some stuff from Amazon. So I ordered this paper towel holder. Now I don't know if I want to put it underneath the sink hang underneath here, or if I want to put it in here. Our old apartment, we just had the regular, y'all know, the regular ones that you put over the shower head, but that shower head is like tall, so I had to get this. So I'm gonna actually put this up in a minute. And I also got these double-sided hooks, so you can put your liner on one side and then your actual shower curtain on the other. Let me show y'all real quick. It's two.
It's good.
I love it.
You can do it. There you go. Tastes like candy.
I'm gonna eat chicken for like a month straight.
What's up, people? We are back at home. This is my little work fit. One thing I noticed about cooking at home is that there are always dishes to do, like always. Y'all, it's so pretty outside.
I'm gonna cultivate the interface faces.
So I just got done cooking. I'm about to try this ravioli. I think I've had this before. This is good, but I feel like the sauces that I make myself be better. But hey y'all, so it is Wednesday, and as y'all can see, your girl went to work out, but I didn't take you guys with me because I had to walk to the gym. Well, not had to, but the gym is literally like a half a mile from me, so I walked and then I walked back. But that was my first time walking by myself, and I just really wanted to be vigilant and not have to worry about like a camera.